Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm planning in my mini homebody dashboard layout, and we are planning for the first week in April. I'm going to be using the Rong mini seasonal sticker book. So this is March 30th through April 5th. I'm going to be using the mini seasonal Rong, and I think I'm going to pull some flowers out of this. It's just called Everyday Accessory Book for Rong. Now this is the Rong stuff that was released last year. I didn't get anything new Rong for this year. So these are some of the stickers that I've pre-chosen. And what I want to do is just make this kind of a simple spread. Not a whole lot going on right now with all of the social distancing going on. So I'm not really going out and about much at all. Other than to the grocery store, and I haven't even been out much at all in the last couple weeks. So, and it's kind of like my norm. I'm used to staying at home, so this social distancing isn't really much out of the norm for me. But what I'm doing here is I'm just going to put this girl, and I'm using my jelly roll. This is a jelly roll 10, just to white out this black line that's going to be behind my sticker. So I'm going to take my tweezers and kind of weigh that down. So I hope all of you guys are safe and healthy, and hopefully y'all are able to go to work. I hope that this hasn't really greatly affected anyone's finances. I know that that is like a big issue for a lot of people. So I just hope you guys are doing okay and as normal as possible. For you moms who are homeschooling now, bless you. I don't know if y'all know, but we've been homeschooling. I think this is our 6th year. So really not much has changed here as far as our way of life. But I know that this can be detrimental to a lot of you. So my prayers are with you, and we'll get through it. Just be patient and enjoy this time with your family. So this says Time to Bloom, and I just thought this little girl was cute. So we'll put her down here, and then I'm going to go ahead and cover up my headers. So the Rong mini sticker book already has these pre-made headers. So I'm going to just keep doing my regular to buy, but like I said, not really getting out much. Not really doing much in my mini planners for right now, but we're just going to keep things normal as we can. And then my errands, I like to change that to to-do. If I can get this straight, I think I'm going to wipe this out because I can see this behind my little yellow. Okay. So to buy, to do, and then I'm just going to white out important. I'm not going to put anything here in this box. I'm going to put my remember down here on focus, so that I can just list some things down here, because my girl is up here in this box. Now, I don't know if I'll take a floral or something and cover up this homebody leaf. I haven't gotten that far yet. So I did pick out these boxes, and I thought that I could go ahead and use them since, like I said, there's not much going on here. So I don't usually like to use the boxes because I feel like I don't have enough room to write, but since I'm not writing a lot, I can just kind of stagger my boxes like I used to. So we're just going to kind of put these in the center of my daily boxes, skipping every other day. Now let's see if I can get these fairly lined up here. Is that crooked? No. All right. And now this one has a shamrock, like a clover leaf on it. So I'm actually going to white that out and cover that up with one of these Rong flowers, because of course April 4th is not St. Patrick's Day, so I don't need that clover there. All right, so those are all the stickers that I pre-chose. Now, let's go ahead and find, I'm debating on 2 different florals here. So we have these little, I don't want to say bouquet, but like a little floral arrangement. And then we have these individual flowers. So I think I'm gonna take maybe a yellow one and put down here to cover up where this shamrock was. So that's cute like that. And then maybe, I kind of feel like this looks silly now because I've got 2 flowers and no flowers. So we're gonna have to think about that for a minute. But I thought it would be cute to put this up here in the corner. Kind of like that, and then cut off the excess there. I don't really know that there's anything else that I can use to decorate these boxes, and I don't want to put a whole lot of flowers in them either. Let's see what's in this mini. So we have hearts. I don't know. I think I'm just going to switch these 2 boxes. I'm going to switch this one and this one. That way my flowers are kind of staggered. So yeah, that makes me feel a little bit better. Okay, that's that OCD kicking in. Now, I don't really know if there's anything else that I want to do here. Let's see. I like the hearts, but I kind of don't want to add any hearts. Let's see. Time to bloom. I feel like this bloom where you're planted might be cute at the bottom. Down here. So let's try that. Let's get these out of the way. And I feel like I probably need to white out the black lines behind there. But I think that would be cute there. So let's go ahead and just white some of these black lines out. Just so that they're not like screaming, hey, look at me, behind my little clear sticker. I think that's pretty good. And I'm still using my wax paper. I just could not make myself switch to the sticker planning guides that the Happy Planner came out with. I did try them again last week and I just couldn't make them work. So I'm stuck with my wax paper. All right, let's cover this up with something. So let's just grab one more of these. All right, so I have pink, or yellow and pink, or orangish color. So let's take one of these teal ones and maybe just kind of put it there. Yeah, so that covers up the most part of that Homebody leaf. And I might actually want to put a couple here. So let's move this around a little bit. Let's see. I'll just have to cut out my little hole punch there. So now, let's see. I think I'll use pink because this color is up here. So I'm going to use pink. How does that look? No, I'm not crazy about the way those flowers are. Let's see. I don't like cutting that off there. Let me try something a little different here. These stickers are pulling up good. I didn't even put them on my wax paper. So let's move this one further down and move this one further up. Yeah, that looks better. All right, so I'm gonna flip, my sticker book's falling apart. I'm gonna flip this sticker book upside down and use my X-Acto knife to just cut out these little hole punches so that I can get it back in my planner. So let's see. Try to make this quick. Okay, one more. I don't have my hole punch in the room with me, or I'd just use my hole punch, but this is just as good. I just don't want to do it on my desk because I've cut my desk too much already. Okay, So now let's just go and cut off the little bit of excess that I have right here, and then this flower on this other page. And then we'll put it back in my planner and see how it looks. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I've missed you guys, but I have been just busy doing a whole lot of other things here around the house and just doing stuff. So sorry that I missed last week, but I think this turned out pretty cute. Y'all have to let me know in the comments. Do you think this is cute? It's very simple, but it's cute, and I like things to be simple. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this, and if you did, you'll give me a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would consider subscribing. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit the little bell on the side there so you don't miss any of your notifications whenever I upload. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.